Blessings and welcome to this week's edition of SongBird Sundays. This week I have a special guest, David Gorospe, piano musician extraordinaire, and we've been working on a song that I wrote a few years ago on Kauai, and we're kind of just bringing it back to life and going to share it with you now. So hope you enjoy. Here it is. It's End of the Road, We Choose Love. Choose love.